Aisha.
Hello, Marcus.
Hello, my dear. So we have an opportunity for us to collaborate and an offering for Expressive Arts Without Borders.
Back to innocence. I'm so loving it, and I really love the topic.
Yeah.
My favorites.
So maybe we could start with me asking you, what is it for you, Aisha, to return to innocence? What is that for you?
For me, I believe it's just who we were before any perceptions about what we should be or who we should be. Just returning back to who we really are. Because before we had any perception of what we should be doing or acting like or looking like or this persona, it's just before all of that, before the ego takes over of parts of ourselves that doesn't allow us to fully be. So returning to innocence feels for me like getting back to the true self, like the who we really were before any other ideas about the self. What do you think?
Yeah. What comes to me when you say that is how efforting to be lovable or acceptable kind of ruins things. And so much of the expressive arts work is to undo the distortions that we created over the years that changes us, distorts us, sometimes even just a little bit in our effort to be acceptable. So it seems like this workshop can be, firstly, a kind of a simply, how do we relax into what precedes our efforting, eh?
Yes, it's like an unlearning of all the masks and all of the things that we think that we should and must do, because there's a lot of things that we are doing like most of our lives without even thinking like, why do we do these things? And when we really return to innocence and return to the essence of us, the true self, we become fully aware of our intention. And this becomes so easy in expressive arts therapy because it's a form of deep play, like you always say. It's like we're back to playfulness, we're back to feeling the joy of life. And with being there in our joy, we allow ourselves to be fully alive as well. And then we become the full being without anything else, without any doing.
Yes. So my sense is what our workshop in that hour and a half can offer is setting the frame for this deep play in sort of the theory that has to do with let go and shape, where we let go into a quality of exploring that's innocent and not trying to understand, but innocently exploring. And the arts give us a way to not only let go, but to shape what we're letting go into, to participate in the letting go. And so we'll work with some movement and visual arts, writing, and see if we can get that in our hour and a half. Right?
Yes, and the thing isn't about the 1 hour and a half. It's about what impact would it leave in your life? Like, what are you taking from that returning back? And it's like returning back home to this space of playfulness. And how would you intentionally create moments of that coming back every day in your life?
Beautiful. So it sounds like our intention is modest. That this particular workshop really focuses on how to come back. And we'll have other workshops that have to do with how to move into the world in that congruent way. But in this time, I like the idea that we'll sort of shape our time that has to do with just how do we come back? How do we come home? How to return to our natural state? And of course, an hour and a half is just a glimpse, but as you say, it can really make a difference then for how you move through the rest of your day.
Exactly. And then to the rest of your life.
That would be good. Great. Well, I look forward to our getting together. Aisha in Egypt and I'm in Canada, embracing this project we have, Expressive Arts Without Borders.
Yes, without borders, indeed. Thank you, Marcus. I'm so looking forward.
Yeah, me too. See you soon.
See you soon.
Let's see. So, okay. Ciao.
And recording stop.
Okay.